So here we're gonna know how do you know if an AI app builder is good. You're gonna see if it can build midjourney from scratch. So what it did right now, it has the entire database. It has the AI image social media feed. So we're gonna tell it here to make James Bond driving a motorcycle and shooting. So here any user can post a new image. So there we go, we have the James Bond driving and shooting. Any other user can go into here and add some comments, great post, and they can see all the users posts so far. So this has been implemented with one shot, and now it's testing it right here. So this is an example of it. It's an AI image social media feed where any user can generate an image and post it and have other people engage on it.